So now what we're doing is we're just cutting the zip ties that are holding the cables together. Okay, once you've cut all the zip ties off of the cables, they're just going to kind of flop in space of where they need to be. You got this one dropped off here, that one's dropped on that side. Over here you've got them dropped at both ends. So now what you're going to do is just route this around your sheave, come up, and then set it over the top so that you have this in place just like that. And you'll do that to all four corners so your cables are ready to go. Okay, now we're going to install our secondary lock pulley lever. So this is your secondary lock here. You're going to see we're going to put the bolt through there. We have a jam nut that goes on the outside of it. That's going to jam up. That's going to be a 9/16. I'm going to tighten that up to it. Just like so. This sits here, and then we got to insert a couple of springs so that it has the kickback on it. And so take the spring, put it on there just like this. After you got the springs installed, what that does is now, see, that's holding this lock open. But when our cable gets here and the cable gets tight, then this is going to open up that lock, so now it's free. So if you ever had a cable failure, then the cable gets loose, that flies back, and that secondary lock would then go into the cutout and keep this from dropping to the floor.